How to log in Binance account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To log in into your Binance account, first and foremost, launch a Binance application in your device. So right over here, firstly, you will see an interface like this. If you are new to Binance, you can tap on sign up. If you already have an account, you can click on log in. This will redirect you to this section. In here, you can enter your email address or phone number to log in into your account. If you don't remember it, you can simply tap on Continue with Google. Make sure you select on a Google account that is associated with your Binance account. After that, you need to enter the 6-digit code that is generated by the Authenticator app. This is only if you have a two-factor authentication enabled for your account. If not, with a simple tap, you'll be able to log in into your Binance account easily. We hope that you found this informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out the Binance help and support as well.